His opponents.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Birmingham for some more Hope Wrestling. It is our third show of our three-day, third anniversary weekender. And what a way to start with Jigsaw versus Jake McCluskey. I'm Magic Mark alongside... Hello.
Hello.
That's the powerhouse, Blake. Thanks, Hope Management. Snapmare takeover by Jake McCluskey. Wristlock applied by Jigsaw. Arm wringer, and down goes Jigsaw.
Both fan favourites here in this one. Who are you picking to choose? I hope they both lose.
You mean you'd like a double count out or something?
No, I just hope they both lose.
How is it possible to both lose? You could have a draw. Would a draw suit you?
No, I'm not happy with the draw.
You're not happy with the draw?
Right. Well, stop getting out of the question. I asked you, who's your pick?
It's very difficult to call. It's very difficult to call.
No, there's two people. It's a 50-50 choice. It's not that difficult.
Takes the leg, looking for... Yep, you got the toe pick now. Nicely done.
I'll pick Jigsaw.
You pick Jigsaw, right, yeah, okay. Then I'll pick Jake McCluskey.
What?
Oh, very nice by Jake McCluskey into the headlock takeover. One. See, when the shoulders are down, the referee has to count. Head scissors, reversal, and a kip up by McCluskey.
Effortless, but look at the snap there from Jigsaw.
Jigsaw looking for the escape. Head scissors. What's Jigsaw coming up with here? Oh, beautiful. Headstand escape, nicely done. He's left Jake McCluskey sat on his bottom with a face of...
Why isn't he hitting him? Right. He should hit him. What's the point? You want to win this match, you should have hit him.
It's a sporting contest between two...
sporting contest.
Why in the world is there a Wolverhampton Wanderers strip on the front of the commentary table?
What's wrong with Wolverhampton Wanderers?
No, they never win.
They do, and they're better than Birmingham. They may be in the Midlands, but Wolverhampton's the best team.
I'm from Wolverhampton, but good grief, Wolverhampton Wanderers are rubbish. Nicely done, rope-assisted flip into a wristlock of his own.
Stop acting if you know about football anyway. You barely know nothing about wrestling.
Hey, Jake McCluskey does it without the rope. Rolling snapmare. Into the crucifix pin. Nope. Once again with the stalemate. McCluskey, Jigsaw. This is the battle of the fan favourites.
No, it's not. It's not me versus Jigsaw.
You're not a fan favourite.
Please love me here.
They don't like you. Certainly not after what you did to poor Big Dog Reigns yesterday.
Oh.
Handspring. Lovely drop kick by McCluskey.
We'll put the dog down. Best for him. Simple.
Irish whip reversal. Clothesline missed off the ropes. Head scissors. Down goes Jigsaw and out to the outside.
Well, the snap on that from Jake McCluskey was very, very impressive.
Oh, here we go. No, McCluskey didn't go for that.
Oh, he's scared, that's why.
Super kick, down goes Jigsaw. We saw what happened to RJ Singh last night from the super kick. He got kicked right in the throat.
But what a super thing. And that's when Ryan Smart won the match. Jake can't even win the match on the floor. What's the point of super kicking on the floor? He's got to lift him up and get him in the ring and do something else.
Well, he's about to do something else. High cross body, is it enough? 1, 2. That guy with a knee right into the back.
And that's what Jake needs to do.
Headbutt to the gut.
Needs to hit him more, needs to get on those strikes. Because Jake's definitely going to win this match. He's on top at the moment.
Jake, arm wringer. Capture. Looking for an abdominal stretch. Little nasty stuff. That'll tear your pec right off your chest.
Not just that, look at the pressure it's putting across the shoulder of Jigsaw.
Nasty.
Oh, into a pin.
Nicely done.
Very, very nice.
2 count though, just a 2, not a 3. Jigsaw's in the corner now, McCluskey needs to back up. Once again, fair, sportsmanlike behaviour.
Stupid.
If behaving like a gentleman...
Jake should poke him in the eye and get his thumb through that mask. He should take every advantage.
If behaving like a gentleman is stupid, then I'm quite happy not being clever.
I'm saying you're stupid is an understatement, isn't it, though?
You're a really unkind person.
No, it's honest.
Jake McCluskey hooks him up, and a beautiful small package. 2 count. That was close, that was. Kick to the gut. Into the buckles goes Jigsaw. Up and over, rolls through. What's he looking for here? Thought there was a drop kick, but no, standing Hurricane Rana.
We should have given him a drop kick, would have hurt a lot more.
Kick to the face.
Exactly what Jigsaw needs to do.
Whoa.
Now Jigsaw's going to win the match. He's on top.
Missile drop kick.
Control. Deep cover from Jigsaw.
Not quite enough.
Referee telling you it's 2, just in case you weren't sure.
Yeah, I was aware.
Counting.
Kick to the spine. Cover. 2 count only. Kicks.
Enough business to figure out. This is what you need to do. Be a bit mean.
Double stomp. Vile. Kick out though by McCluskey. McCluskey, I'll tell you something. Tough as 10-day-old bread. That's tough. Very tough. Nice, innovative offense here.
You see Jake earlier with that abdominal stretch, and now Jigsaw with something very similar.
Oh, a series of chops. McCluskey having none of it. Looking for the roll-up. Schoolboy style.
Close to the ropes though. But Jigsaw
Standing drop kick. Cover.
More kicks in the face, that's what I want to see.
Nice. That was
maybe a 2 fly out.
bicycle kick. Wow,
I know a young man do a nice left-footed bicycle kick.
Yeah. He just clocked him right in the temple there. That's rocked Jake McCluskey.
Jigsaw needs to hit him harder though. Jake's still standing.
Looking at the brainbuster. Hoists him up. No, knee to the head.
Held him up there for a bit too
The
long.
suspension was too long. Standing in Seguri.
Jake McCluskey's in control. He's going to win this match.
Here comes McCluskey. Running forearm.
I said to you all along, Jake's going to win this match.
Up and over. Oh, handspring. Catches him with another drop kick. McCluskey, the moonsault king, looking to finish it now off the ropes. No, captures.
He's
back
no
up.
king, there's no crown.
Sky high powerbomb. Kick out by Jigsaw.
So if only Jake could have lifted him higher and done that properly, he may have got the match won.
Credit to Jigsaw for kicking out of a move like that. I mean, owie. The moonsault king, maybe looking to do what he does best. Lands on his feet. Schoolboy roll up. No, into a double stomp. Jigsaw does love a double stomp, doesn't he? German suplex, bridging pin. Kick out by McCluskey.
These two guys giving it their all.
Yeah, I mean, McCluskey and Jigsaw are they both got great records, but they both want to be back in contendership for the King of Flights Championship.
Jigsaw
and a win over Tom. Win here.
Hyperextended his knee there.
Oh no, suspended in the buckles and a kick to the back of the head. Hoists him up. Drops him face first. 1, 2. Kick out by Jigsaw. As I'm saying, a win here, that would give you a hell of a stepping towards claiming you're the #1 contender to the King of Flights Championship.
And Jigsaw kicking out there shows you why.
Missed it.
Former champion. Jake McCluskey eating nothing but canvas there. And there, sole of Jigsaw's foot.
Stepping super kick.
And look at
into the brainbuster.
There's no time that time. Hooks the leg.
And we're done.
Here's your winner, Jigsaw!